Hey guys, welcome back to Henderson Family Farm. Uh, we're right now building a roof for the goats or whatever, and yeah, and we're gonna be helping out and stuff. All right, Emily's gonna help out. Ava's gonna help out. I'm gonna help out, and so's our dad, and we're all gonna do like a team effort type deal to help get this roof built.
Yeah, guys, so there was a storm came through last night and it completely destroyed Moscow's shed. The shed where we have all of the shed where we have all of the nannies, or not all of the nannies, but most of the nannies in with Moscow right now. It flipped that thing over and blew it back about 25 feet or so up against the fence. So now they don't have any shelter from above. And goats really, they don't like to be wet, so you have to have a shelter from the top. And since we're building it, I've been meaning to get it done. I just haven't had time to do it, but I have to make time for it now because that one is completely destroyed. It also destroyed the north side of the hay barn. So as soon as we get this done, we got to try to get that done and fixed up. So I'll try to talk while I'm doing it, but I gotta hurry because I only have a couple hours in the evening to get this thing done. So we're gonna have the kids go grab. These are those frames that I was talking about that I got off of Facebook Marketplace for $100, which you can't beat a deal like that. And I'll be able to build plenty of structures, and these things will last a long time. So we're gonna hurry. We're gonna hurry here and try to get this thing knocked out real quick. So I need you to hold tape measure for me. Okay, so guys, you'll go 3 foot, which we have a mark right here. Hey, your head's right in the way.
Oh.
I don't need you to hold it right now.
Okay.
So you have 3 foot, and then you'll have a mark right here, which we do. And then you'll come over here, and then you'll mark 4 foot, which I have a mark there. Now Emma, hold that tape measure on that mark right there.
Okay.
Right there. And then you'll come over and you'll measure it, and you should have 5 foot. And that's how you know you're square. And we're right at the 5 foot mark. I'll grab the deal and show you there. So Emma's come So here we go, 3 foot on one side, and we had a mark there, and then we come here back to here, go 4 foot, and we have a mark down there with the 4 foot, and then you measure from the mark there to the mark over here, and then you should have 5 foot, and that's how you know you're square. And we're right there at the right there's my mark. I don't know if you can see it very well, but right there's my mark, and right there is 5 foot. So that's how we're checking square. It don't have to be perfect. It's just a goat shed. No, I mean, the goats don't care how square it is, but it's just a personal preference still for me. Grab that lid from my marker.
You want me to close the marker?
Yeah. Make sure you come back, check us out. Catch you in the next one.